Hi guys, I'm Sabrina and this is my mom and we are the Tasty Twins. So today we are making homemade applesauce. Mommy, what are we gonna need?
Okay, so we're going to need a mix of apples, half sweet, half tart, or you could do all tart, add a little extra sugar, all sweet, add a little extra lemon, whichever you like, but we're doing a mix, 6 of each. And we're gonna need salt. Thank you. We're gonna need allspice. We're gonna need cinnamon. We're going to need brown sugar. You can just leave that there. 2 oranges. And we're gonna need a lemon. And we're gonna need some unsalted butter. So this is a Barefoot Contessa recipe that we enjoy making. It's really easy and we play around with it a little bit, but this is how she makes it. And then sometimes, like I said, we change our apples out. We add in nutmeg or apple pie spice to kind of give it a different flavor. You could use a different kind of lemon. There's all kinds of things you can do to make it your own, but this is what we're going to do. And now we're going to get started peeling and cutting our apples. Okay? Okay.
Baseline. Drums.
Yes! So crazy right now.
Okay, I am going to squeeze our lemon and we use lemon covers so we can catch the seeds so it doesn't get in our applesauce. Because it'll be disgusting with the seeds. Right, Mom?
Mm-hmm.
Try and squeeze as hard as you can. Ooh. Now I'm gonna do the orange. I'm using this so it's easier to squeeze. Let's get started.
Okay, so now that we've prepped all of our stuff, Sabrina's going to, do you have your whisk? She's just going to mix, so this is just the zest of the oranges and the lemon and the juice. We're going to mix it up real quick and we're going to add the apples to that. Go. We're going to get, oops. We're going to get those all, okay, no more whisking. Now let's just use our hands. We're going to get all that.
You got my glove.
Sorry.
It's okay.
Get all the apples into the bowl.
Just let them sit, and then we're going to heat them up.
Then we're going to mix. Oh, and our oven is preheated to 350 degrees right now.
Yep.
This is about 6 pounds of apples. Again, use any variety of apples you like, or whatever. Local, tart, sweet.
Sour or sweet?
Yep.
I like the sweet ones because the sour might be kind of too sour for my cheeks.
Yeah.
Or my tongue.
Okay,
Wow.
So now, yeah.
That's a lot of apples, guys.
It is. So we just want to get the apples coated in the juice.
Nice.
That's why we have our gloves on.
Apples.
Yeah.
Don't want to look at them.
Okay, and now we're just going to use a Dutch oven. An enamel Dutch oven. Works really great. We're going to put everything inside. So I'm going to help Sabrina dump the apples.
What?
Get all the juice and zest in there. All the juice and zest in there.
Almost good.
Okay.
Done.
And then we're going to add in the cinnamon and allspice mixture, a little salt. It's okay. It's okay. We're just going to ignore that a little bit. This is a 1/4 cup of brown sugar that we're going to put in there. That's okay. And we're going to add in the Sabrina, can you put in the butter?
Yes, Mom.
We're gonna put in the butter, and that's a 1/4 pound of butter. Nice and butter. And then one little tip that Ina Garden likes to do is to save a peel from one of your red apples and add it into the pot. And
So
it's
it
going,
can make a nice color.
yeah, so it can give it a little bit of color. So now we're just gonna put the top on our Dutch oven, stick it in our oven, make sure it's tight for about an hour, hour and a half, and then we're gonna have our applesauce.
And then we'll taste it in the end.
Yep, okay.
Okay guys, our applesauce is done and we're about to taste it. First we're going to take the skin out.
Okay, so take your peels out. They should be devoid of a lot of color. Just in right here. And then you're gonna take a whisk and you're gonna mix it together.
Let's whisk it. I'm gonna get some of
And the
this.
apple should be nice and soft.
It is soft
Yeah.
and hot.
It is very hot. Came straight out the oven.
Okay. Before I taste it out, I'm gonna let it cool.
Yeah. It's really good if you can use this like in place of apple pie. So like if you want some ice cream, you can put it on top of the ice cream.
Oh yeah, and guess what? You can have some for a small little special a side dish for like if you're having Thanksgiving or
Yeah, this is great fall side dish. Works really well with pork. Also, you can puree this some more. If you want to feed babies, you can actually make your own applesauce to feed babies.
babies will love this.
Yeah, so it breaks up really, really well. But like I said, if you want to puree it a little bit more, you can.
I will get a spoon.
You can put it in a blender. You can put it in. Okay, grab a spoon. You can put it in a blender. You can put it in a food processor. But I think this gets it soft enough that you can just break it up with your hands. So make sure you glove. It is very hot. You can eat this warm or you can eat this at room temperature. You could eat it cold. I probably wouldn't. I think room temperature, because of the butter that we added, you want to make sure it's at least room temperature.
That almost tastes like an apple juice.
Yeah. Nice fresh apples.
But the brown sugar.
And remember, if you want to try this recipe, it will be on our website at tastytin.com. And we'd love it if you tried it and let us know how you did and if your family likes it. And that's it.
And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up.
Yep. And share it. Thanks. We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.